QubeModeler is a parametric 3D modeling software created by designer and developer Turi Cacciatore. This revolutionary software allows real-time editing of complex models and the rapid creation of design alternatives of the same product. The minimalist interface of QubeModeler enables to perform complex operations on solid shapes instantly and with intuitive commands. Files generated by QubeModeler can be imported directly into Autodesk Fusion 360 using the QubeTranslator plugin. QubeTranslator is capable of converting QubeModeler files into all the most common NURBS, solid or polygonal standard formats such as IGES, STEP, OBJ, or STL. Importing multiple 3D model alternatives quickly created with QubeModeler can save hours of modeling in programs like Fusion 360, where significant shape changes may require remodeling entire parts. On the other hand, for small shape adjustments or refinements, the ability to continue modeling directly within the Fusion 360 environment is a tremendous advantage in terms of the creative process's fluidity. Thanks to QubeTranslator, modeling can also continue through other 3D tools such as Alias, Rhino, Blender, or Maya. In conclusion, we can say that QubeModeler allows for the rapid sketching of a shape and the easy creation of alternatives. Meanwhile, QubeTranslator ensures that the 3D models created can continue to be refined and improved without ever having to interrupt the creative process. The result is a fast, enjoyable, and high-quality workflow.